Today I'm gonna share with you GenAI roadmap and notes. Is all everything my own notes and my own personal roadmap that I follow. So here is I'm gonna be updated every month. So today I updated 25, 28 March. So and table content and GenAI landscape. What is right now trend in market and their token, why use these, and here the trend to the trend, and here is the Gen AI roadmap, and this is everything in roadmap that you need to know about the Gen AI, what is it going to, and land, land graph and agentic AI, and here is the and roadmap. So here is some important thing and LangChain. So here is the update in March. So LangChain is a new update. I hope you need to know. And here is important notice and top resource. Here you can learn LangChain easily. Here all resource you can learn. Here is almost free. Everything is free. I don't mention any paid course. And here is the upcoming event. I also add this upcoming event and the book and tutorial and YouTube channel and research paper you need to know, tool and platform, and how you can start the project structure, how can you make a project, and here example. I hope this example will help you to understand the code fundamental, how code work and everything. So here is the rag and here is the agent, and here is the update, new update in create. So you can also contribution if you think you want to add new.